Welcome to Ruger Tech Tips. I'm going to show you how to disassemble your Ruger Hawkeye Long-Range Target rifle. Before we begin, you want to make sure that the rifle is completely unloaded, that there's no live rounds in the rifle or in the magazine. So I'm going to point the rifle in the safe direction. I'm going to remove the bolt entirely, remove the magazine, make sure there's no live rounds in there, and I'm going to visibly and physically check the chamber. Everything's good. To do this procedure, you're going to need a few tools. You will need a 1/8 inch hex head driver, a 3/16 hex head driver. I use some kind of a tool to run those, and you're going to want a torque wrench that will do both 45 inch-pounds and 95 inch-pounds. And of course, a good pair of safety glasses. So it's a simple procedure. We're just going to remove these two bolts at the bottom of the rifle. So we're going to take those two out. That'll allow us into the action. So the first one I'm going to remove is this front mounting bolt. That's the 3/16, and this is held in with 95 inch-pounds of torque. So there's a fair amount of torque on this. Once that's loose, I'll go to my hand driver and I can unscrew that entirely. I'm going to remove the screw, get that mount out of there. I'm going to change bits to go to the 1/8 inch. This I can drive by hand. Going to remove that screw entirely, and that'll allow me to lift everything up and out. My trigger guard slides off. Once those are out, now I can lift the whole stock off the barreled action. That will come up and out. Now, typically for most of your cleaning and maintenance, that's as far as you're going to need to go. If you want to disassemble further, including taking the firing pin out of your bolt or any further than that, you can watch our Ruger Hawkeye disassembly videos. That will cover everything there. Thanks for watching this Ruger Tech Tip.